Hi there, my name is Erica Jancelewicz. I'm a registered nurse at Glo Medical Aesthetics in Memphis, Tennessee. So aesthetic management partners have been very welcoming. They've been wonderful as a company for sharing knowledge and helping us as providers with education. You can give us all the best tools in the world, but without giving us the education and going the extra step to helping us really know our devices and our products, we're only as good as the education. So I'm super appreciative for aesthetic management partners for giving us those tools and the education. We have met a couple of different providers as part of the clinical team who have come in and given us invaluable instruction on the devices and worked with us. And most of the providers who've come in, or if not all of them, have given us their contacts. Reach out if you have any questions after this training is over. We've been very happy with that education and the clinical team coming in and really giving us the knowledge we need to use their devices. So other companies, when you buy a device or you buy products, you will see the companies, they help you with some education when you buy the device or buy the products. And then a lot of times you don't see them or hear from them again. There may not be a conference or there may not be any follow-up education, but aesthetic management partners have always been available to come back in, answer questions. I've requested some protocols from the company before, and they're always willing to share information, email information, send an educator back in. Their conferences, they offer demos, on-site presentations and treatments, and I can't say enough about the company. They've been wonderful for us.